Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video. Today I created this very simple effect, but the motive is not to create this effect. The motive is to learn something new today. There is simple trick to use, and because I just use single emitter to create this, and I have some parameter but I can use. So like if I decrease spawn rate, you can see I can make it longer or like this. Then second thing is I can change this color like this, so I'll make it default. Then I can increase the size of particle, and then I have one more thing, I can adjust the gap. So like this is, I can make it like this or like this. Then last I can fade this whole effect like this. So let's start this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. If you like this video, like, share and comment. So I have this, you can see, and I have a single emitter. Let me just adjust the window. Okay, and let's create it again. So I'll create one more Niagara, and this is test. And I have a material, and in this material I have very simple thing. Basically, if you have this radial and you preview this radial, there will be a radial that has some fading edges and there is a density. So you can put some value in the density and this will be very sharper depending on the density. Okay, so I have a dynamic parameter, so I can do that in particle system. Then it's just saturating, going to opacity. So material is very simple. I'm gonna use the same material. So I'll just close this and this, and in my test effect, this is a simple fountain we have, and let's make some space here also. So I'll use that material here in this fountain, and I'll